What are the benefits of using aloe vera on the genital area?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an unconventional but remarkably beneficial use of an age-old natural remedy, using aloe vera on the genital area. The aloe plant is lauded for its healing properties, and it can be used in a variety of ways. But what does it do for our most intimate areas?
What is aloe vera?
First, let's start with what aloe vera is. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species that originates from the Arabian Peninsula. It is well known for its medicinal properties. The gel inside the leaves is used in everything from skincare products to dietary supplements. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it an all-natural powerhouse.
How can aloe vera benefit the genital area?
Now let's get to the heart of the matter. How can aloe vera benefit the genital area? Here are a few key benefits. 1. Soothing skin irritations. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera can soothe irritated skin, which is especially beneficial for those who may experience shaving rash or skin irritations in the genital area. 2. Moisturization. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties. It can help to maintain moisture and prevent dryness. 3. Antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera has antimicrobial properties, which can help to prevent infections. This is particularly beneficial for the sensitive skin in the genital area. 4. Healing minor wounds and cuts. The wound healing properties of aloe vera can help heal minor cuts or wounds that might occur in the genital area. Remember, it's essential to do a patch test first on a less sensitive area of your body before applying aloe vera to your genital area. Everyone's skin reacts differently, and it's important to ensure that you won't have an allergic reaction.
How to use aloe vera on the genital area?
Now that we've seen the benefits, let's look at how to use aloe vera in the genital area. 1. Cleanse the area. Start by cleansing the area with warm water and mild, unscented soap. 2. Apply the aloe vera. You can use pure aloe vera gel straight from the plant, or a commercially prepared aloe vera gel that doesn't contain added fragrances or colors. Apply a thin layer to the area. 3. Let it absorb. Give it some time to absorb. You don't need to rinse it off unless it causes any discomfort. 4. Repeat as needed. You can repeat this process as needed, but avoid overuse, as this can lead to skin irritation. Remember to discontinue use immediately if you experience any discomfort, redness, itchiness, or other signs of an allergic reaction. In conclusion, aloe vera can offer numerous benefits when used in the genital area. However, it's important to approach this with caution and always ensure your products are safe and suitable for such sensitive areas. Aloe vera might not be for everyone, but when used correctly, it can be a great natural alternative for soothing and protecting your most sensitive skin. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been insightful.